When you truly want to lose weight to get rid those extra pounds, turning to weight loss pills for immediate effect is definitely the wrong habits. You gain those extra weight not by taking pills, so why you should be shedding the weight with pills? The weight gain didn't happen overnight, it came because of your eating habits, and we are going to remedy the situation starting from your habits as well. Habit number 1, drink a full 8-ounce glass of water 20 minutes before each meal. It's only partly because you trick your body into thinking that it's full. The real trick is in giving your body all the water that it needs. The usual recommendation is at least an 8 ounces glasses of water a day. That's water, not soft drinks, not coffee. Just pure water. Your body needs water to maintain all its systems and to flush wastes away. When you don't take in enough water, it starts trying to conserve it by retaining water in muscle and fat tissues. Water your body as faithfully as you would a plant, and you'll find that it starts ridding itself of excess water regularly as well. Is it just water weight? Well, yes. But that water weight is weight you don't have to carry around with you as long as you're taking in enough water for your body's needs. Habit number 2, eat a balanced diet. It's obviously more healthy, but will it help you lose weight? The answer is yes, and here's why. When your body lacks any nutrient in its daily intake, it tries to make up the difference by substituting other nutrients. The result can be false messages that you're hungry, when what your body really craves is enough of one particular nutrient. Eating a balanced diet provides all the nutrients your body needs in the proper proportions so that it isn't telling you it's starving. Habit number 3, half an hour of moderate exercise 5 times a week. Your body uses the food it eats to produce energy for your daily activities. The more energy you use, the more of your food your body will use to fuel it. When you eat fewer calories than your body needs, it will turn to stored reserves to keep it going. Adding 1/2 hour of moderate exercise to your daily routine 5 times a week increases your body's consumption of energy. But there's more. Your body is using up calories even when you're not exercising just to maintain circulation and health in its tissues. It uses up more calories maintaining muscles than fat. As you exercise, your body is converting fat to muscle, resulting in a higher metabolic rate as it increases its activity to keep your muscles in tone. These simple little habits are proven to prevent you from gaining any more extra weight and help you those extra pounds as well. But nothing can actually happen unless you first begin to take action to make this habits part of your lifestyle. Do it and you'll see yourself slim and sexy in no time. If you like the video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.